Hello, this is Amber Wood and welcome to my video. Today I am doing an unboxing of my very first BoxyLuxe. It's the Boxycharm Big Box. I have been getting Boxycharm for I think about 6 or 7 months now, and I've really enjoyed it. And then I kept seeing the BoxyLuxe and I'm like, I want it, but should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? Should I not? Boxycharm, Boxycharm. I decided since I'm a freelance makeup artist, it was kind of important that I go ahead and try out more products and have more products on hand. And it's a great deal. So what Boxycharm is, if you don't know, you pay $21 a month. It's a monthly subscription makeup and beauty box. You get 4 or 5 full-size products, which is what I liked about it. I had tried other boxes before, but they were always tiny little samples and really things that I just wasn't interested in. So I switched to Boxycharm. I've loved it, and now I'm gonna try the BoxyLuxe. So if you guys are interested in getting this box, I just wanted to show you what it was all about. So I have not gotten in this box yet. So this is total first impressions. So each box has a theme, and this one it says La Vie en Rose. I don't know what that's about, but that's what it is. And then on the back they give you all the details of each product, how much it retails for, so you can really see the value of what you're getting, and details about each product. So the first thing looks like we've got a little makeup bag. Looks kind of cute. Oh, this is cute. I like these. I always love having bags. You guys, this is a cute bag. It's a good size. I guess we can just put all our stuff in there. Let's open her up. Let's open her up. Oh, it says Boxycharm on the inside. Cute. So we'll just put our stuff in there as we take it out. First thing I see, lashes. So it says Lily lashes. Are these like the real? These are really Lily lashes. Okay, so I have never tried Lily lashes except for one pair I got. It was through Sephora, and it was in my Jeffree Star swag bag from his Behind the Brush class. If you haven't watched that video yet, click above and you can check that out. But that's the only one that I've tried. I've heard so many great things. A lot of people love Lily lashes. So I'm excited to try these. It says faux mink. There they are. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, excited about that. So the Lily lashes retail for $24.99. So already that's almost the price of the BoxyLuxe. When you get the BoxyLuxe, you have to pay an extra fee. Obviously you're getting, it says like over $250 worth of product. So it's an extra fee of $28.99, but it's a quarterly. So it's every 3 months. So it's not every single month that you're paying that extra fee. And then the other months you just get your regular box. Okay, this says Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. I don't know what that means. What's an eyebrow cushion? My eyebrows don't need a cushion. They need a lot of other things. Let's see, Sculpt and Boost 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows and half the effort. That's a good sign. I don't want to make a lot of effort. Oh, this is cute. It's a cute little compact. Okay, so there's like a little tool. Let me see if I can show y'all this. So it's got like a little thing. It opens. Oh, I don't want to peel it. Oh, I dropped my tool. Okay, the tool has a spoolie and an angled brush, and it folds in half. Nice, compact. We like that. Good for traveling. It's got a little, I can't open it. Oh, I think I just mushed it. Oh, it had a pull tab and I jacked it. Oh, wow. Okay, so I jacked it up. First off, let's take this plastic over here. But it looks like it is two-toned, like it said, and it's a cushion, so when you push on it, it's like a little cushion and it's got the liquid inside it. And so that's what you use for your brows. Okay, I am interested in this. I jacked it up a little bit, but that's okay, not too bad. But this might be a nice product. I am interested in that. That retails for $40, it says. $40. Cheese and crackles. Okay, so already paid for. Okay, Becca. Ooh, we got some lipstick. Lipstick Love. Okay, this is chocolate color. Let's look. Let's take a little gander. I recently did a giveaway with some Becca products for Valentine's Day. Ooh, this is a lovely color. There we go. I'm not very good at swatches, as you guys know, but it's kind of a chocolatey, brownish, reddish color. Nice, beautiful, love it. And the Becca, $24, 25. Okay. Oh, and the train case, this was $20 retail. Okay, keep it moving. There's a lot of things in here. Looks like I've got some nail polish. Those are pretty colors. I go and get my nails done, so I may put this in a giveaway at some point. That retails for $20. It's a two-piece. Deborah Lippmann is the brand. Never heard of them. Pretty colors, but nice. Ooh, It Cosmetics, we love them. Confidence and a cream cheese and crackers. Look how big that is. Oh my God, that is huge. Okay, anti-aging armor, rejuvenating concentrate, transforming, moisturizing super cream. So this retails for $48. I'm not surprised because it's a big container. Wow, you guys, look. That's lovely. I love creams. Don't you guys just love a new cream? I love a cream. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's try it out. I always do a knuckle because I always have nails. So I always do a knuckle in a cream. Let's rub it on here. Oh yeah, it's lovely, lovely, lovely. We like it. Smells just like cream, nothing fancy. No big smell to it. So does this go on my face? Developed with plastic surgeons. It's my new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. We need that, anti-aging, yes. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. Quick absorbing, it's true, it's pretty smooth now. Immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, I need that, lines, wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. Okay, so it does it all. Powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. Doesn't say where to put it. I guess you can put it on your face. Ooh, I guess we'll find out. Okay, there's all kinds of stuff in here, you guys. Oh my God, I just want you to see. There's a lot of things in here. Cover FX, we like that brand. What is this? Ooh, okay, so this looks like a bronzer, some highlighters, and a blush. Oh. That's pretty. Look at that. That's nice. It's a Perfector face palette. It retails for $45. 6 must-have, talc-free. We like that. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. These are pretty. Ooh, this finishing powder is like glittery. Ooh, that's lovely. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Now, if you guys want me to do like a look with this stuff, please let me know. But this, right now, we're just kind of doing unboxing, checking it out. Wander Beauty. It says lift off, purifying, and brightening peel off mask. Ooh, we might do that for Mask Monday. $34. I mean, this is pretty good size. 60 mils, 2.02 ounces. Peel off mask. We like a mask, always. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, we got some brushes. Not sure of this company. Never heard of that one before, but the brushes look nice. Moda. Always like some new brushes. This is a powder and a soft glow. So maybe like highlighters. Oh yeah, they feel nice. This one's very floppy. This one's a little bit more sturdy, but I like the pink, shiny handles. They're not super long. They're kind of short, interesting, different, but I like it. They feel nice. $29.99 is the retail on these brushes. Ooh, there's one more thing in here. Last but not least, one of my favorite companies. If you guys watch any of my stuff, you've seen Morphe before. This is the 15D Day Slayer Eyeshadow Palette. One of their little phrases is blend the rules. Love it. This is pretty cool. 15 shades. Their prices are usually pretty good. It retails for $16, which is not, you know, not a bad price for an eyeshadow palette. Okay, so this looks like a lot of like neutrals, shimmers. This will definitely get used. Some oranges, definitely some colors that you would use kind of an everyday type palette. Has a big mirror, which I love. This is nice, you guys. So that's it. I don't think there's anything else in here. Hello, hello. Anybody else home? If you like this unboxing video and want to see some more like it, please let me know. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click down below, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Make sure and give me a like down below. Tell me what you guys think of Boxycharm. If you've gotten the BoxyLuxe yet, if you like it, if you don't like it. I'm kind of feeling like it's Amberrific. I don't know about you guys, but I'm kind of digging it. This isn't something that's gonna happen every month. Like I said, usually you get your regular box, and this is what happens every 3 months. So I feel like it was a good buy. Boxycharm, thank you. Thank you. I'm excited about the Morphe. Hello. You guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.